Creamy chicken curry. A luxurious and decadent meal for those special evenings. Join me as I guide you through crafting this indulgent delight. Welcome to Bomawala Kitchen. Let's commence by marinating a whole chicken, expertly cut into 8 pieces. Time to infuse it with spices. 1 tablespoon salt, 2 teaspoons red chili powder, 3 tablespoons Dhanya Jeera, 2 teaspoons turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons garam masala, and 1 tablespoon each of garlic and ginger paste. Thoroughly mix and let it marinate for 15 minutes. Don't forget to add 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. It truly makes a difference. Now onto the pan. Add a 1/4 cup of oil and a special teaspoon of ghee. Heat it to medium. Then introduce 2 large chopped onions or 3 medium ones. Fry for 5 minutes until they are nearly translucent. Time to elevate the aroma with an ensemble of spices. 2 small sticks of cinnamon, a teaspoon of cloves and peppercorns, 2 black cardamoms, a teaspoon of green cardamom, 2 bay leaves, and lastly 4 green chilies for that spicy kick. Fry this delightful blend for a few minutes until the entire kitchen is enveloped in these exotic spice smells. The onions are the key to any great curry. They provide the base. Now add in our marinated chicken. Braise the chicken for 7 minutes until it attains a glorious golden color and all the spices meld in. This is a crucial step for the flavor to bloom. Otherwise, you might end up with raw tasting spices. Once everything has come together, add only 1 cup of water, as the chicken will release its own juices. Give it a quick mix. Bring it to a boil, add the lid and cook on low for 45 minutes. Let's make an amazing rice in the microwave. Add 2 mugs of rice to a bowl, wash it thoroughly and add 4 cups of water. Introduce 1 cup of frozen green peas, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of cumin seeds, a pinch each of black peppercorns, cloves, and green cardamom, 1 black cardamom, a few bay leaves, a 1/4 sliced onion, and, as always, a teaspoon of ghee. Give it a quick mix, and cook this for 22 minutes without a lid, followed by an additional 3 minutes with the lid. It's ready. Look at how amazingly fluffy this rice is and so easy you can't go wrong. Returning to our chicken, which has cooked and the oil has risen, it's time to add the star of the dish. 2 cups of fresh double cream. Give it a gentle mix to avoid breaking up the chicken. Bring it to a gentle boil. Add the lid and let it infuse one last time for 10 minutes. There you have it. An amazing creamy chicken dish, so decadent and easy to make. Let's finish it with some fresh coriander. It makes all the difference. This dish is rich in taste, not overly spicy, and can easily feed a family of 6. You might even have some left to freeze. They reheat in the microwave very well. We will serve this with our delicious green pea rice. Thank you for joining me again this week. I hope you enjoyed the recipe and will be making it soon. Please consider giving it a like, subscribe, and share with friends. Happy cooking!